Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Step inside this modern small wooden house and be greeted by a living room that seamlessly blends indoor comfort with the vibrant energy of the surrounding tropical garden. Here's how it unfolds: open floor plan, light and airy, walls are minimized, creating an open floor plan that allows natural light to flow freely from large windows and glass doors leading out to the tropical paradise. This maximizes the feeling of spaciousness within the small footprint. Natural materials, warm wood embrace, light-colored wood dominates the design, evident in the walls, ceiling beams, and perhaps even built-in shelves. This creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, echoing the natural beauty of the tropical surroundings. Pops of sustainability, woven accents like baskets, rugs, or furniture made from natural fibers like rattan or bamboo add a touch of texture and sustainability. Tropical touches, living art, lush greenery plays a starring role. Large potted plants like Monstera deliciosa or fiddle leaf figs are strategically placed near windows, while hanging plants like ferns or philodendrons add a touch of vertical interest. Earthy color palette, the color scheme reflects the tropical vibe. Think calming neutrals like beige and cream as a base, accented with pops of green from the plants and bursts of color inspired by tropical flowers. Think turquoise, coral, or a vibrant yellow. Furniture with purpose, multifunctional marvels, smart furniture choices are key in a small space. Opt for multifunctional pieces like ottomans with storage compartments, coffee tables with hidden shelves, or a comfortable sofa bed if the space needs to serve double duty. Minimalist comfort, clean lines and a minimalist approach to furniture selection prevent the space from feeling cluttered. Choose pieces with simple designs and light-colored fabrics that complement the natural wood tones. Indoor-outdoor connection, sliding glass doors. Large sliding glass doors blur the lines between the living room and the tropical garden. This allows for seamless indoor-outdoor living. Bringing the beauty of the outdoors in and extending the living space. Strategic seating, position some seating arrangements to encourage enjoying the garden view. A comfy armchair nestled near a window or a small table with chairs on the deck leading out to the garden create perfect spots for soaking up the tropical atmosphere. Overall vibe, the living room is a haven of relaxation and connection with nature. It's a space that feels light and airy, with natural materials and pops of tropical color creating a vibrant yet calming atmosphere. This design maximizes the potential of a small space, seamlessly integrating the beauty of the surrounding tropical garden into the heart of the modern wooden house. There are several compelling reasons to design the living room of a modern small wooden house with a tropical garden in mind. Enhanced connection with nature, indoor oasis. The design creates a living space that feels like an extension of the tropical paradise outside. Lush greenery, natural materials, and an open floor plan bring the beauty of nature indoors, fostering a sense of peace and tranquility. Tropical escape. Living in a small space doesn't mean sacrificing connection with nature. This design maximizes the feeling of spaciousness by incorporating the outdoors, making the living room feel larger and more inviting. Space optimization in a small house, open floor plan, by minimizing walls and maximizing natural light. The open floor plan creates a feeling of spaciousness within the limited square footage. Multifunctional furniture, smart furniture choices allow for a comfortable living space without feeling cluttered. Ottomans with storage, coffee tables with shelves, and even a sofa bed if needed, make the most of the available space. Aesthetics and ambience, warm and inviting, light-colored wood and natural materials create a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxation. Tropical flair, pops of color inspired by tropical flowers and lush greenery add a touch of vibrancy and personality to the space. Sustainable statement, the use of natural materials and woven accents like rattan or Bamboo showcases a commitment to sustainability. Aligning with the natural beauty of the tropics, overall, this design approach offers a unique and functional solution for a modern small wooden house. It creates a living space that feels connected to nature, maximizes the use of a small footprint, and boasts a beautiful and inviting tropical aesthetic. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing the living room of your modern small wooden house with a tropical garden in mind. 1. Assess your space, measure up, take precise measurements of your living room, including doorways, windows, and any architectural details that might influence furniture placement. Sun exposure, identify where the sun enters the room throughout the day. This will help you determine where to place plants and seating for optimal light and comfort. 2. Embrace the open floor plan, minimize walls, if possible consider removing unnecessary walls to create an open and airy feel. Consult with a structural engineer to ensure the removal is safe and doesn't compromise the house's integrity. Sliding glass doors, invest in large sliding glass doors that open onto the tropical garden. This creates a seamless connection between the indoor and outdoor spaces. 3. Natural materials are key, light wood walls and ceilings. Opt for light-colored wood for walls and possibly even ceilings. This creates a warm and inviting atmosphere while complementing the natural beauty of the garden. Woven accents, incorporate woven elements like baskets, rugs, or furniture made from natural fibers like rattan or bamboo for texture and a touch of sustainability. Plan for tropical touches, greenery selection, choose plants that thrive indoors in bright, indirect sunlight and with humidity levels similar to a tropical environment. Consider Monstera deliciosa, fiddle leaf figs, ferns, or philodendrons. Earthy color palette, pick a base color scheme of calming neutrals like beige or cream. Add pops of green from the plants and bursts of color inspired by tropical flowers, turquoise, coral, or a vibrant yellow. 5. Multifunctional furniture is essential, measure and choose wisely. Carefully measure your furniture before purchasing to ensure it fits comfortably within the living room space. Smart storage solutions, opt for furniture with built-in storage like ottomans with compartments or coffee tables with hidden shelves. Consider a sofa bed if the space needs to serve double duty as a guest room. Minimalist comfort, choose furniture with clean lines and a minimalist design aesthetic. Opt for light-colored fabrics that complement the natural wood tones. 6. Maximize the indoor-outdoor connection, strategic seating, position some seating arrangements to take advantage of the garden view. A comfy armchair near a window or a small table and chairs on a deck leading outside create perfect spots for enjoying the tropical scenery. Outdoor furniture, consider incorporating comfortable outdoor furniture on a deck or patio adjoining the living room, further blurring the lines between inside and outside. Remember, lighting, plan for layered lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere in the evenings. Consider floor lamps, table lamps, and strategically placed overhead lighting. Accessories, personalize the space with tropical-inspired artwork, throw pillows in vibrant colors, or unique objects collected during your travels. By following these steps and keeping the connection to your tropical garden at the forefront of your design choices, you can create a beautiful, functional, and truly unique living space in your modern small wooden house. Maximize space and connection with nature. This video showcases incredible living room designs for modern small wooden houses that embrace tropical gardens. Watch now and find inspiration for your dream home. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.